Okay, happy Thursday. I hope everybody is having a great week. Um, some herbs I ordered here from this sister who follows an alkaline diet and Dr. Sebi. So mostly all of her stuff was inspired, as you can see, by Dr. Sebi. And I came across them on another sister's video. She scratches her husband's scalp. He has really bad scalp. It's not psoriasis, but I can't think of the name for it. And they've tried medication. She's done oils, and she came on the last time and was like, her and her husband was drinking these teas, and it was clearing up her dark spots, but it helped his scalp. And she said he hadn't had a wash in like 2 weeks. And when I tell you this man's scalp was bad, it was bad. But I was like, say what now? So, anybody that says that it can help with different ailments, and especially my scalp, I'm going to try it. So I went onto the site, and the two that she was drinking, and you can mix these teas together, is Food for the Blood and the Mucus Cleanse. She is doing a BOGO on each of her herbs and stuff this week. I got the Demiana. It was buy one get one free, and they were on sale too. So I think they was $7. I think $7.50, because I ended up paying I think they was $15 each, but I got one for free. So with shipping, I paid $21.45. And she does say not to throw out the herbs after the first use. You can use them again. So, and let me tell you the name of the doggone company. It's called Upful Blends. So she's on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. She gives you tips for each of the herbs. She also tells you on the site like what each one is used for, how to brew them, and everything. So, and I'm mad I missed out on the therapeutic cellular cleanse. I could have gotten it, but didn't pay any attention to it. So this is Food for the Blood. It has 102 minerals, kind of like Irish sea moss, because she uses that too. So the Food for the Blood has 102 minerals. It's high amounts of iron, removes acid, heavy metals, and toxins from the body, protects the brain, eliminates free radicals, serves the skin, reduces massive amounts of inflammation, which I need, supports strengthening immune system, and is antiviral. Her ingredients are 100% organic, burdock root, Mexican, was it saparilla? I don't know how to say that, root, dandelion root, Amazonian, kalawala, and the Mexican guaca root. Here's what she tells you how to brew it. She has two different sizes. I got the 4-ounce, and as you can see, blends inspired by Dr. Sebi. She shipped very quickly as well. I ordered, I think, late Sunday night, and she shipped it out Monday night. Then this is the Mucus Cleanse. These were the two that the young lady whose husband had bad scalp irritation and flakes, used these two for herself and her husband. So Mucus Cleanse, it serves the entire body on a cellular level while cleansing it of mucus. And the reviews on this was really good. That's something that I suffer with. I have post-nasal drip really, really bad. I just look in the back of my throat and see the mucus, sliding down my throat. So, and says this is a nervous system compound created to stimulate the brain and central nervous system, aids in anemia, hormonal imbalances, which I do have, inflammation and neurological unease, produces natural serotonin and alignment with the body, enhances cognition and supports brain health, also soothes the mucous membrane, rids of mucus buildup within the respiratory system, the reproductive system, and colon, all while supplying 102 minerals with sufficient amounts of iron. 100% natural elderberry, burdock root, verbena, African canna, ginger root, valerian root. And again, 4 ounces. I got the smaller one and the directions on what you need to do. And then this is Hoodia. It's for weight loss. So I felt I should try this. It says supports in burning and dissolving fat. Hoodia is used for thousands of years by the San people of Africa and has been touted as a safe and effective appetite suppressant that sends messages to the brain, letting our cells know that it is satisfied. Aphrodisiac, indigestion, gastrointestinal infections, and grape herb to fast with. 100% natural African Hoodia, 4 ounces. And here's the directions on how to brew. And then the bananatea, and then it alleviates problems of the teething and maintaining erections. Wow. Rushes oxygen to the genital area, increases sensitivity, minor laxative effects, releases stress, anxiety, and depression, life enhancing and stimulating effect on the mind and body, great digestive health by breaking down fats and sugars in the digestive system, cleanses the gastrointestinal tract, forcing the body to eliminate harmful chemicals and toxins, aids in stomach aches, lung diseases related to tobacco, tobacco abuse, bladder and kidney infections, arthritis, and diabetes. Smoking the leaves may produce similar effects to smoking marijuana. So you would need a dry chamber vape to smoke the leaves, or I guess like they do, get you some of that reefer paper and light it up. But you can also use it as a tea. So this to me would kind of be like maybe a nighttime type of thing. So yeah, this is Upful Blends. Go check her out. Again, she's running a buy one get one. She gives you a letter. She sends you a tip card and your receipts with everything on it. She ships quickly. I think anything over $50 ships for free. This I just picked. It wasn't any free shipping. I just picked first class, and it came at the same time as me picking 2-day priority. So give her a try. Get a young sister a try. You know, especially if you following an alkaline diet or trying to get, just get your system on check, and you like to follow, Dr. CB. So we'll check these out, and I'll come back and tell you how they went. Peace.